In supermarkets across North America, there's a symbol appearing on product labels that more and more consumers look for when food shopping for themselves and their families. Related to an ancient set of strict dietary rules, this symbol is a global trademark of trust which stands for superior quality, food safety, and good health. This symbol is opening doors and increasing sales for those manufacturers who choose to align their brands with it. This symbol is the mark of BCK Kosher Certification. Recent market research shows that demand for kosher products in North America is growing at around 15% per year and will reach over $13 billion by 2013. Kosher has been the most frequently used claim on new products launched in North America since 2005, beating out all natural, no additives or preservatives, and organic. Over 11 million adult shoppers in the US now actively seek out kosher products. But although kosher laws are rooted in the Jewish Bible, this growing demand is not driven by religious Jewish consumers. A 2009 Mintel consumer survey shows that the primary reason people buy kosher is not for religious reasons, but rather for food quality, general healthfulness, and food safety.
Health and safety conscious consumers account for over 75% of the non-Jewish consumers buying kosher products in the supermarket shelves today. Independent research has shown that people believe that kosher food is safer and healthier.
The Vancouver Sun recently described kosher inspectors as the toughest food inspectors on the planet. That additional level of quality assurance beyond government inspection adds to the appeal of kosher products in a world where people are more and more concerned about what they are putting into their bodies.
The next largest group of consumers buying kosher certified products are those with dietary preferences and allergies. Research shows that 38% of consumers buying kosher certified products are vegetarians looking for the dairy symbol to ensure the products they buy contain no meat or no meat byproducts. 24% are consumers who are lactose intolerant looking for the plain BCK or the Parov symbol to ensure the products they buy are dairy-free and contain no dairy derivatives. Finally, consumers with celiac disease or those who suffer with gluten intolerance look for the kosher for Passover symbol to ensure that the product contains no wheat and that it is gluten-free.
Finally, 10% of kosher buyers are religiously observant non-Jewish consumers like Muslims and Seventh-day Adventists who eat kosher to observe their own religious rules.
The word kosher means fit, proper. It's okay for someone to eat. The rules come from the Torah, from our tradition, from the Talmud, code of Jewish law. We're told certain animals are kosher. For example, cow is kosher. A non-kosher animal will be like a pig. Pork is non-kosher. Now it seems like that's very, very simple. But in today's modern day and age, there might be different ingredients where their origin might be of an animal origin. We are not only concerned with the actual biblical rules or rabbinical rules and the rules which we have in our books, but there's another element to it. And the element our kosher symbol looks after is to make sure that the particular product is also manufactured in a place that is clean and the consumer can feel comfortable that there is an inspector going in on a regular basis to this factory, making sure that it's kept up to all the standards, not only the religious standards, but also the health standards. And as a matter of fact, in all our contracts with all our companies, we say in order for them to keep the kosher symbol, they have to be up to the standard of health too.
For over 25 years, BCK Kosher has been the largest, most recognized and accepted kosher certification agency in Western Canada. BCK Kosher's client list includes leading brands in the food manufacturing industry.
One advantage of having the kosher certification is that it really goes along with our principles in terms of making our food available to as many people as possible, regardless of allergies, regardless of religious beliefs. So that was something that was, I think, a real benefit, because without making any changes to our production system, we were able to access or have a whole lot of people access our product. And it's really easy when we're filling out forms for distributors and retailers. It's like, yes, it's all natural, it's all kosher, or sometimes is it organic, or if it's kosher. People are asking for it. One thing we do notice is the rabbi comes through more frequently than any other agency that inspects our facilities. It's really not a bad thing because it keeps us on our toes, and we just make sure that everything is done right. If an agency such as BCK helps us improve our manufacturing processes and helps us actually keep on our toes so that we always make a good product, well, that's a good thing.
I think since becoming kosher certified, it's brought a standard of credibility to our plant and to our business. And as a result of that, the kosher certification is recognized in the food space. And so that's opened doors for us in terms of acquiring new customers. Would definitely recommend kosher certification through BCK. For us, in our experience, the process has been fairly seamless, the transition has been smooth, and I think that the team that they have there have been efficient and effective for us. In fact, the inspectors have gone further and have recommended other customers that are interested in buying from a kosher certified plant over to our business, and that's been certainly welcome. So, anytime that happens, we appreciate that generosity.
Kosher certification with BCK Kosher is an efficient and hassle-free way of significantly expanding the market for your products with minimal investment. If you'd like to learn more about kosher certification through BCK Kosher, please contact us today for a free consultation.